Hello everyone, today we would like to present our group project for STA150, which is an experiment on probability using a simple coin toss. And the introduction, I will talk about the objective of our group project. And the first one is to record the possible outcomes when a coin is tossed. The second, to calculate the probability of getting heads or tails. And third, to understand the difference between theoretical and experimental probability. And the last one, and to apply formulas to calculate the mean and variance from our result. The significance of the experiment is this experiment is important because it gives us a hands-on way to understand the basic concept of probability. We learn how chance and randomness can affect outcomes and how real data sometimes differ from what theory tells us. (2.0) is methodology. The first one is decide which side of the coin is head or tail. The second, make first with your thumb facing up. Your thumb is the finger that will push the coin into the air. Make sure the coin is facing up so that the coin will go up. Number 3, put the edge of your thumb under your index finger. When you bring your thumb up for the toss, this will give you a little resistance, helping it a quick move to strike the coin. And number 4, place the coin over the gap created by your thumb and index finger. It should sit on top of both finger and not fall off. You should not hold the coin in place when you flip it, so it needs to sit there without help. And number 5, pull your thumb up quickly. This snap motion will push the coin into the air, causing it to flip over and over. Gently drawing will give a softer toss, meaning the coin will spin fewer times. And last for method to toss the coin is watch the coin in the air, then catch it to see which side came up.
Number 7. Record the result. Result head, we got 22 times and tails 80 times. Number 8. Repeat step 1 to step 6 for 40 trials of toss coin. Number 9. Calculate the probability from the result by using formula PA equal to NA over NS. This experiment successfully show how to calculate the probability of an event, like predicting which side of coin will landing facing up. It helps us understand how to estimate the chance of certain outcome. 3.0 Finding and calculation. After 40 times, the result were heads appear 22 times and tails appear 80 times. We calculate the experimental probability. We got probability of heads 22 over 40, and probability of tail 80 over 40. According to theory, both should be 50%. So we observe a 50% difference, which is due to the randomness of real life trials. 4.0 Question. The probability distribution of a discrete random variable x is given by fx. So we can see fx A. Determine the value of K. B. Find probability X greater than equal 4. C. Given that the discrete random variable W equal to X plus 3 over 3. Determine the value of variance for W minus 2.
So for the answer of 4.0 question, for A is we need to place X over K, and we need to substitute the X to 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have 1 over K plus 2 over K plus 3 over K plus 4 over K and plus 5 over K. And then we also need to plus 1.1 over 4, because 1 over 4 can be defined. And then after some calculation, we get K is 20. So for B, we need to find P probability X greater and same.
Greater than equal.
For B, we need to find probability X greater than equal 4. So we need to classify the probability that we need to calculate. So first, probability X equal to 4, which is 4 over 20, plus probability for X equal to 5, which is 5 over 20, and plus probability X equal to 6, which is 1 over 4. So the total answer is 7 over 10. So for the C, the question is given that the discrete random variable W is equal to X plus 3 over 3. So firstly, we need to find the mean. Mean is equal to sum fx times x. So fx is x over k and 1 over 4. So we need to substitute the k with 20 and x with 1 until 5, and then we plus other number. So it's like 1 over 20 times 1. After that, 2 over 20 times 2, and so on. So the answer for the mean is 17 over 4. So for the variance, is equal to sum fx times s square. Firstly, we need to do the same like the mean, but for the x we need to times 2. No, times 2, square root it, square. And then after we get the answer, we need to negative
minus.
we need to minus the mean time the mean square. So the answer for the variant is 35/16. So to calculate the variant W, we need to simplify first the W, variant W. So W is so the W is equal to X over 3 plus so W is equal to X plus 3 over 3. So after we splitting it, we get X over 3 plus 3 over 3. So we have, so after simplify W, which is W equal to X over 3 plus 1, and then we plus variant on the back of W. So the W become variant W equal to variant X over 3 plus 1. So variant 1 over 3. So for the variant X over 3 plus 1, we need to simplify, take out the over 3, the over 3, 1 over 3 out from the variant, and it become 1 over 3 square. So in the variant is only left X plus 1. So after we take out the 1, it become variant X plus variant 1. So it become 1 over 3 square times variant X plus variant 1. So because variant 1 is equal to 0, it becomes 0. Okay, so 1 times 1 over 3 square become 1 over 9. And variant X is 35 over 16. So for the total, for the variant W is 35 over 144. So for variant W, so to determine the value of variant for W minus 2, we need to take out the 4 from the variant. So 4 become 4 square. So what left in variant is variant W minus 2. So after splitting the variant W minus 2, it become variant W plus variant minus 2. Because variant minus 2 is still 0, it becomes 0. 4 square is become 16, and variant W is 65 over 144. And then the total answer is 35 over 9. So for the 5.0, which is conclusion, in my conclusion, this experiment help us to understand basic probability concept by comparing real result to theoretical expectation. We observe a 5% difference between expected and actual outcome, which show how randomness affect the real data. How we also apply formula to calculate the mean and variance, strengthening our understand and analytical skill. Overall, the experiment was successful in connecting the theory to practice and improving our teamwork and problem solving ability.